Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we're going to go ahead and show you how to remove and replace the passenger side or right side engine mount on Kia Forte guys. Yeah, if you feel some vibrations, it's most likely it's an engine mount. We'll have the symptoms on the channel. We'll have more than 200 videos on this Kia Forte guys, so please subscribe. Many videos will be made, and if you need anything, let us know. We'll try to make a video for you. So we have the car jack on both sides, on jack stands, so we can reach underneath and support the engine. You can see this one is lifted on this side as well. We're going to pull the engine cover out of the way, and all the tools that we'll need and we'll use will be listed in the description of the video below. So you need 17mm socket, deep socket, 14mm breaker bar as well, because some of those will be really tight. Also we will need a jack and we will need a wood bolt to put under the oil pan. That way we will not punch a hole in the oil pan and we will not cause any damage, because we will need to support the engine so we can remove the engine mount. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead, get the wood block, and you need to situate the wood block to be underneath the oil pan. Okay, that way you will not punch a hole with the jack. Okay, and you need to jack it up just a little bit to go up. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, like that. That will be good. So we'll go ahead and remove the engine cover now with a 17mm socket. We're going to go ahead, okay, and remove 4 nuts. You can see we have 4 nuts that we need to get loose. Okay, perfect. Now we'll go ahead, take them off. And with the 14mm now, okay, there is 3 bolts that we're going to break loose as well. Okay, you can see we got them loose. Now we can go ahead and we'll use the little impact to save us a little bit of time, and we'll go ahead and remove the nuts. Now careful, the engine might drop a little bit, so if it starts dropping you have to support it and jack it up a little bit more. Do not go under the engine once the engine mount is removed. Okay, this top piece is out of the way now. After that, we need to remove the 3 bolts with the 14mm socket. Okay, perfect. Last bolt towards the back, and we pull the engine mount out of there, guys, as you can see. So the engine is not supported, guys, at all, as you can see, so do not go under the vehicle. This is where the 3 bolts attach. Okay, we'll get a new mount and install it. So we get a new mount. Okay, we just received this one. The parts will be listed in the description of the video below, guys, so you can find the parts that we use. Okay, so we're going to go ahead, install it on the bottom now with the three bolts. Okay, that last one is a little bit tricky. So you gotta make sure that you don't cross thread them. You have to start it by hand at first Okay, perfect. Otherwise you can damage the... Perfect. So those are tight, but not all the way now. We'll get them tight more later. We will install the bracket now on top. You have to move the engine a little bit so it can sink all the way down. And if the engine is too much up, you need to bring it down, or if it's too much down, you need to bring it up. So everything needs to be leveled there. Okay, install the 3 nuts. And the 1 bolt there. This is with the 17mm socket now. After that, we'll check everything by hand. And we're going to check the 3 bolts with the 14mm as well. Okay, that's good. Perfect. So that's how you guys remove and replace the engine mount on Kia Forte. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos to come.